Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am DRGOAT here, and today I just wanted to talk about my 2014 Chevy Cruze ECO. It's been quite a while since I've had this car on the channel, and I honestly haven't driven it much lately. Jade's been driving it quite a bit, and I've been pretty much stuck with the GTO, which, you know, I don't mind either. But I wanted to talk a little bit about why I enjoy this car so much. I mean, I truly love driving this car. It's just always fun and just easy and fun. To give you a little history on it, we got it just about 2 years ago, I believe, and we got it with 41,000 miles on it. It now has 91,000 miles on it, so we've done quite a bit of driving with it. And we have also put a ZZP or ZZPerformance, however you want to say it. We put their Stage 2 kit on it. I also kind of forgot to mention that this has the 1.4 liter turbo motor in it. And to be honest, these motors stock, at least with this car specifically, really did not have any get up and go. Like, we would be cruising doing 50 or whatever, 55, want to go to pass someone, and we would have to downshift into about third, going from like 6th gear, have to get down into third to be able to get somewhat of a momentum to get past people. So stock, it was kind of but putting this Stage 2 kit on and getting the tune, it really woke the car up. And you get to listen to this. I hope you guys can hear that. Maybe you can't, but the Stage 2 kit is a cold air intake, which is why you're hearing those noises right there. And it's a bigger intercooler. People don't know how to take the corner there. But cold air intake, bigger intercooler, and a turbo back exhaust. So, if I remember right, that kit was supposed to add, I believe, 50 horsepower, somewhere around there. And I'm not sure if that was to the wheels or at the crank. But now, don't expecting it to be as fast as the GOAT or anything like that, but it's peppy. It's peppy, and it's really just fun. It's not a race car by any means, but it's fun. These cars, I could be completely screwing up by saying this, and bash me if I'm wrong here, but I am pretty sure I had heard that they have electronic power steering, and this, with the steering wheel there, it is amazingly responsive. That's one of the many things I love about the car, how responsive the steering wheel is. Obviously stock shifter, so it's pops up in and out real easy. Stock clutch. It's just like, it's your everyday driver that's easy to drive, no hassles. You don't have to, you know, worry about if you're gonna get into the right gear, or worry about your leg getting sore if you're gonna be stuck in traffic or anything like that. But at the same time, that Stage 2 kit just, like I said, it really wakes the car up. But it is a compact car. If you've seen them, you know that. I really think they are a pretty slick looking car. I really love the front end design. I love the shape of the headlights. We do still fit both of our boys in the back seat. I am 6'1". My knees will be almost up to the dash to get one of them in behind me. But at the same time, I can still drive fairly comfortably with them behind me. So it's not terrible, honestly. But I want to get or record a little more in detail video actually going over the car and showing you inside, and you know, just everything about it. But I just want to make a quick little video here for now, just letting you guys know how much I enjoy the car, and that, you know, I really have not had any big issues with the car. So I'd recommend them. Like I said, it's a fun car. But anyways, we're gonna end that video out just like that. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below if you have a Cruze, or if you're looking at them. Any questions you might have, or any comments you have, like I said, if you do have one. And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.